Welcome to Sugar Fingers, beautiful babes. Let's get started with today's haul. Very small. Everything is from Amazon. So first I have this Elite 99 gel nail polish. It's soak off UV LED lamp compatible. And this is a bright pink number 558. You get 15 milliliters of polish here. This pink is so bright. And yes, it has been used a couple of times, y'all. Loving it so much. Beautiful color. And if you're skeptical about wearing this for the fall time, don't be. Where would you choose, honey? You don't have to go with the trends. Go and be a leader. Yes, I do have another nail polish. This one is the Vinalisa gel nail polish. 12 milliliters is what you get. This one is a nude pink color. It is a soak off gel nail polish, UV LED lamp compatible, and it is so pretty. Just check it out. Look at the packaging, okay? I'll say this again. Look at the packaging. And I'm actually wearing this one today. Holds up beautifully. Love it so much. And y'all check out the packaging. So beautiful. I'm not sure if I included this in my last haul or not, but this is a nail dip liquid set. Y'all know I do dip powder nails quite often, and you know, all of the brushes tend to clog up and it's just crazy. So I did get me a backup, and I definitely have used this before. It comes with extra brush applicators along with the dip powder brush saver, the dip powder base coat, the dip powder activator, and the dip powder top coat. A very cute set. Love it. I love the packaging. And this one is very affordable for all of the entire set, the 4 pieces plus the extra brush applicators was probably less than $17, I want to say. This is the Memphis 4-piece dip powder gel liquid set. Again, activator base, top coat, brush saver, and this is so cute. And I love the bottling on it. It is really nice. Great for the salon or even beginners, you know, like myself. So it's getting to be holiday season, and you know your girl loves to bling up the nails. So I got me this Tech Unite 2000 pieces flat back gems. They're round crystal rhinestones, and they actually did I say rhinestones or is rhinestones? 6 different sizes are in here. You have a pickup tweezer along with the rhinestone picking pin, you know, for your crafts, your nails, your face, shoes, bags, whatever you want to use it for. But that is what we have in here, and it is, again, probably inexpensive, less than $8 for the 2,000 pieces. This will last you a long time unless you're using a lot of crystals all the time or using them professionally or trying to do them on clothes. But other than that, for me, the nails is perfect. It does come in other colors as well, not just the clear, but you can get it in the blue and gold and, you know, just purple, you know, pink, multicolors, etc., metallic gold, all sorts of stuff. So just take a look at it on Amazon. The link is down in the description box for you, so check it out right there. I can't wait to do my nails with this. And I gotta share with y'all, I did get a couple of these. I got one for myself and also one for Maddie. It's the Melody Susie Salon Manicure Base and Top Gel. Yes, this is soak off. You can use UV and LED lamps, and it is, again, Melody Susie. One of my favorite top coats and base coats gels. Absolutely. And it came in this duo set here. And the final thing I got was this Model 1's UV LED Gel Nail Polish Collection. Y'all, this one I'm super excited to try out. I can hardly wait, but let me show you the reason why I'm excited about this. You get 6 freaking nail polishes, and they are thermal gel. That means that they do change colors with temperatures, and they are more like, you know how you do the ombre effect? This is ombre, and it's in one bottle, and all you have to do is apply it to your nails. So I am super, super excited about it. Let me just let you see the colors up close. That's like a brown orange. This is perfect for fall. This is like a mint green and blue. Then you have a pink and a mauve, which is a pale pink or more like a nude pink. And this one is a brighter pink with a burgundy type look. And then you have a blue, and I don't know what shade this is. It looks kind of brown, and then it looks kind of, you know, deep plum. So I'm not sure. And then you have this beautiful coral like orangey shade duo here. So this is going to be so exciting. I look forward to it. I'm thinking I'm probably going to go with let's see, since it's fall, maybe we'll do a fall nail look, okay? I'm just going to open this one up because I'm super excited to see what it looks like. Okay, look at the color. Y'all, that's interesting. That's the color that it is now, but then it changes colors. So let me just go ahead and take them out because I'm not keeping them here. Wow. Okay, that's the blue. This one actually has some glitter in it as well. Did that one have glitter? That one did not. Let's see this one. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of like a purple plum. Wow. I'm excited to try these. I really am. This one has glitter in it as well. Ooh, that one is beautiful. It has glitter as well. So I'm super excited about trying these out and seeing what it do, baby. So hey, y'all stick and stay here to the channel. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing up for now. But listen, I will be back here on Sugar Fingers, giving you something for the hands, nails, feet, and oh, you will never know what may pop up over here. So we'll see you on the next one. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and keep those hands looking gorgeous. Bye.